What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, because at 5,000 subscribers we are giving one of you guys one of these cars, whether you want me just to sell it and whack the money straight into your bank, or if you want to come down and spend the day with me working on the car and basically making one of the videos that we make on these cars. So let's jump into today's video. And some of you guys are really on the ball and you guessed what this car was in the last video. So it was a 5-cylinder barge, and this is a barge. So the Volvo V70, and this is a bit of a special day for this car because this car turned 21 today. Today it was registered on the 18th of May 2000. So it's literally its 21st birthday today, and we're going to treat it to some premium fuel and a little bit of a wash. So it's a bit of a weird one. 21-year-old Volvo today, 140,000 miles, 2.5 litre petrol, straight piped as well. So put a clip of that in here, sounds amazing. Oh, it's my idea that I see a lot of these on the car scene. I see a lot of these in videos at car shows, that they're in style right now, that they're on trend, that they're worth a bit of money. So that's why I bought this one, to hopefully make a little bit of a profit. Now I paid £500 for the car. It's got 140,000 miles, and We Buy Any Car, as a couldn't get a valuation on Auto Trader, but We Buy Any Car gave me a valuation of £150. I paid 500, but it's got a year's MOT. It's got new discs and pads all the way around. So that's a win. Here's MOT, discs and pads. It's got an upgraded Pioneer head unit. Leather, heated leather. This is the coolest thing. Check this out. I don't actually know how to make it work. Only was showing me. That's a children's car seat. You got dog crate. Oh, the Volvo has got some quirky features. The wheels look decent, tyres look decent. It's got a year's MOT. It runs all right, no complaints there. So I think we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a proper wash like we always do. Detail the interior, bring up the wheels, get it looking its best, and see what we can get for it. A downside, again, I don't have much service history for it, but even if we could sell this for £900 to £1,000, oh, the number plate as well. So he spent £400 buying that number plate. Obviously that was his initials, but a V70 number plate, just, yeah, I think it's a cool car. Let me know in the comments whether you think it's a cool car or not. Let me know. So as always, I'm going to cut to some before and some afters for those people that don't like to wait until the end of 17-18 minute video, and then we're going to go through the process like we always do.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. So we can fly again.
Day 2, I brought the car up to the unit. We're going to give it a quick wash, but before we do that I want to show you guys what happens if you're not very good at using a polisher. So you can see all of these rub marks, all of these lines. That is a polishing machine. So you can see the paintwork looks so bad because of that, and it's all down the side. And if it will pick it up in this light, if the angle's right. But basically that's what happens if you are not competent with a machine polisher. That's what you get.
You got me thinking all I did was wrong. Guess you got all you wanted. Yeah, I don't know why suddenly you're gone. You'll never be forgotten. Pretending no one is to blame. Too late to reignite our flame. How did I
I've literally just locked the doors on the dealership. It's been a long day and I'm about to start getting this Volvo up to scratch. We've given it a clean, and as you can see the wheels now look nice. Need to deal with the mud flaps, but we're looking all right. Somebody wants something. That was a bit that we gave a little polish the other day. I mean, the paintwork is not bad. It's just all hazed, and the best place to show you how dull it kind of is under the lights here. So you can see you've got all of this, and then here it's a lot cleaner. So you can see the line just there. So I've given this a little once over, and it's a huge difference. So let's jump into polishing. Just going to be keeping the machine nice and flat against the paint, small areas, working my way all the way around the car until we've done every little inch of this big Volvo. about wraps this one up, guys. This is a great little car. The only 2 faults I've found with it so far are the central locking didn't work. I've swapped the battery out. That now works. And I've ordered a new window control switch. So hopefully the driver's side window isn't going down or up. Hopefully it's just that switch. That's on its way. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it's turned out great. I'm off down to the beach now to take some nice pictures of the car to put it up for sale. What will it sell for? I have no idea. We spent £500, £30 for a switch, £530 and about 7 hours work. So not a lot of hours went into this car. It's cut just curing with wax. And yeah, so I'll put the pictures up of the car at the beach, and as always, it will be on Instagram what the car sold for. I have no idea. I think I'm going to start at 1200 and go from there. It's a nice little car, but it is an old car, so it's a bit more niche. But these are on trend. I have no idea. I did not to fixing the lacquer peel. Purely a time restraint thing. I think for a car of this age looking this good, it's okay. If it doesn't sell, I might do it, but I don't have any plans to do that at the minute. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.